Question number 9. A square x square plus a square plus b square bracket into x plus b square equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Given a square x square plus a square plus b square into x plus b square equal to 0. First of all, we are multiplying x in a square, then x in b square. We get a square x square plus a square x, a square into x, that is a square x, and b square into x, that is b square x, and plus sign, plus b square is equal to 0. First two, we are taking common a square x. A square x is common, and in bracket x plus 1. A square x multiply by x, that is a square x square, and a square x multiply by 1, that is a square x, and x plus 1 in bracket b square common equal to 0. 1 factor 1 root a square x plus b square and another root x plus 1 equal to 0. A square x plus b square equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. A square x is equal to, shifting right side, that will be negative, minus b square, and x is equal to minus b square upon a square. X is equal to minus 1. So value of x we get minus 1 comma minus b square upon a square. Answer. Given a square x square plus bracket a square plus b square into x plus b square equal to 0. X multiply by a square, that is a square x, b square into x, that is b square x, plus b square equal to 0. We are taking common a square x. In bracket x plus 1 and x plus 1 in bracket b square is common. And one factor is a square x plus b square and x plus 1 equal to 0. A square x plus b square equal to 0. A square x equal to negative b square x right side, and we get the value of x equal to minus b square upon a square. X plus 1 equal to 0. We are shifting one right side. This will be negative 1, and we get the value of x is equal to minus 1 comma minus b square upon a square. Answer. Question 10, first part. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Product of first and last, that is equal to 27x square. Root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3. 3 7s are 21x square. And we are taking two number. The product of two number is 21x square, and their sum will be 10x. That is 3x plus 7x. Sum is 10x, and 3x into 7x, their product is 21x square. Root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x. 3x plus 7x, that is equal to 10x, and 3x into 7x, that is 3 7s are 21x square, plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Root 3, we are taking common. Root 3x is taking common, and in bracket x plus root 3. Root 3x into x, that is equal to root 3x square, and root 3x into root 3 square, that will be 3x. Root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3x. And similarly x plus root 3 in bracket and common, that is 7. 7 into x, 7x. 7 into root 3, that is 7 root 3 is equal to 0. And one factor is root 3x plus 7, and x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7 shifting right side and root 3 upon, and x plus root 3 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus root 3. So value of x we get minus root 3 comma minus 7 upon root 3. Answer. And second part given, that is 4 root 3x raised to power 2 plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Splitting middle term, product of first and last, that is equal to 2 4s are 8. 8 root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 square, that will be 3. And 4 2s are 8. 8 into 3, that is equal to 24 x square. Their product is equal to minus 24 x square, and we are taking two numbers, that is 8x plus and minus 3x. Their sum is equal to 5x. 8x minus 3x, that will be 5x, and 8x into minus 3x, that will be 24 minus 24x square. So we are taking two number and splitting 5x, that is 4 root 3x raised to power 2 plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x, and 8x into minus 3x, that is minus 24x square, and product of first and last is equal to minus 24x square. We are taking common first two, we are taking common 4x, and in bracket root 3x plus 2. 4x 2s are 8x, and root 3x plus 2 in bracket minus root 3 in common. Minus root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 square. Root square is cancelled, that is equal to 3. Minus root 3 into root 3, that is equal to minus 3x, and minus root 3 into 2, that is minus 2 root 3. Factor is correct, and one root is 4x minus under root 3, and another is root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. Root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to root 3 shifting right side, it will be positive, and value of x 4x, and value of x we get root 3 upon 4, and x root 3x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. So value of x we get minus 2 upon root 3 comma root 3 upon 4. Answer. First part, root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 equal to 0. Product of first and last equal to minus 21x square, and we are taking two number 3x and 7x. Their sum is equal to 10x and their product is equal to 21x square, and we are splitting 10x, that is equal to 3x plus 7x. 3x plus 7x equal to 10x, and we are taking common root 3x in bracket x plus root 3, and x plus root 3 in bracket 7 is common, that is equal to 0. And one factor is root 3x plus 7, and other factor is x plus root 3 equal to 0. Root 3x plus 7 equal to 0, x equal to shifting right side, minus 7 will be negative and divided by root 3. X equal to minus 7 upon root 3, and x plus root 3 equal to 0, that is x equal to minus root 3. So value of x we get x is equal to minus root 3 and minus 7 upon root 3. Answer. And second part is here, 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0, and product of first and last we get minus 21x square, and we are splitting 5x, we are taking two number 8x minus 3x, that is equal to 5x, and their product equal to 8 3s are 24x square, and 5x can be write 8x minus 3x. We are taking common 4x in bracket root 3x plus 2, and in bracket root 3x plus 2, and root 3 is common, root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3x, and root 3 into 2, that is 2 root 3 minus, that will be minus, and 1 root 4x minus root 3, another root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. 4x minus root 3 equal to 0 means 4x equal to shifting right side, it will be positive, and value of x we get root 3 upon 4, and root 3x plus 2 equal to 0, this will be negative, and value of x we get minus 2 upon root 3. Value of x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3 comma root 3 upon 4. Answer. Thank you so much.